Hi guys, in this session we are going to discuss combination of AND operator and OR operator in Java. In the previous video we have discussed how AND operator and OR operator is internally working in Java. Let's see how the combination of AND operator and OR operator is going to work. Let's start it now. So combination of and OR operator. So let's take a sample example now. So let's say int a is equal to 500, int b is equal to 1000, int c is equal to 2000. Let me say boolean d is equal to a is greater than b is equal to c is not equal to a is greater than or equal to c is less than or equal to b. Now I'm going to use an and OR operator here. So let me say OR operator, AND operator, and operator. So let's work on this. What is the value of A? The value of A is 500 and B value is 1000. So 500 is greater than 1000. No. So condition is not satisfied. Then it is going to return as false. False means 0. B is equal to C. 1000 is equal to 2000. No. So it's going to return as false. False means 0. C is not equal to A. 2000 is not equal to 500. Yes, condition satisfies. True means 1. A is greater than or equal to C. Value of A is 500. C value is, so 500 is greater than 2000. No. False. C is less than or equal to B. So value of C is 2000. 2000 is less than or equal to 1000. 2000 is less than 1000. No. Right? 2000 is greater than 1000. So it gives me over here false. So let's calculate over here. First is 0 OR operator, 0, 1, AND operator, 0, AND operator, 0. Right? So when we have the combination of AND and OR operator, you guys have to give the first priority to one AND operator only. So let us solve this AND operator first. 1 and 0, 1, 0. So in this, 1 and 0 is going to give me 0 and 0 and 0. So it's going to give me false. So let's say 0, 0. This overall is 0. So in this condition, it's going to give me false. So always remember when you have the combination of AND operator and OR operator in the program, you guys have to give the first priority to one AND operator. So try to calculate AND operator, then go for your OR operator. So it is easy for you to calculate at last. So here I have written some kind of sample program over here. So I have taken int a is equal to 1000, int b is equal to 2000, c is equal to a plus b. Here it's going to give me 3000. And when I say c is equal to d, even your c value is going to assign to a d. So your d value will be 3000. And your d value is 3000. That's again assigning to the value e. So here also is going to say 3000. So your output would be 3000, 3000 and 3000, right? Then let's work on this. A is equal to E. So the value of A is what? 1000 equal to E is 3000. So here it's going to give me 0. The condition not satisfies. Next is C is equal to D. Yes, C is 3000. 3000 is equal to 3000. Yes, condition satisfies 1. Next is A is not equal to B. So when A is not equal to B, so let's say what is the A value? A value is 1000. 1000 is not equal to B value is 2000. Yes, 1000 is not equal to 2000. So 1. So false means 0, true means 1. Next is D is greater than B. What is the D value? 3000 is greater than 3000. Of course not. If it is greater than or equal to, a condition would be satisfied. In this case, it's false. Next, the C is less than or equal to A. C value is 3000. 3000 is less than or equal to A is 3000 is less than 1000. No, false. Next is B is less than or equal to E. B value is 2000. Less than or equal to E value is 3000. So 2000 is less than or equal to 3000. Yes, correct. Next, A is greater than or equal to C. 1000 is greater than or equal to C value is 3000. 1000 is greater than or equal to 3000. No, false. So let's see now. Let's calculate now. So first is 0 and operator. Next is 1. Next OR operator. Next is 1 and operator. Next is 0. Next is 0. Next is 1. Next is 0. So when I say when you have the combination of OR operator and AND operator, first try to calculate the AND operator. 0 and 1, 0. 1 and 0, 0. 0 and 1 and 0, of course 0. Right? So OR operator, all the condition not satisfied. So this output should give us false. System dot out dot println value. So let me go and save this program. Call your compiler. Perfect. False. So what we calculated is totally correct. So when you have the combination of AND operator and OR operator, the first priority would be given to one AND operator. So what we calculated is false. So we got an output as a false.